oldest gray hair, drunk. His first name is Butch. I don't know his last name.
Mr. Butch, how are we? What happened? What happened?
And the lack of an effective communication tool sours Butch's mood.
Hold on, Butch. Chill out. Chill out for a second. Sean's coming right now. I'm not saying nothing bad for you.
Why are you so angry?
Don't, Butch.
Don't.
You know that's not please. I know. What happened? Did something happen somewhere?
At Betty's?
Do you know their name? Well, I don't know who that is. Is he gonna get arrested or is he
I don't know.
charges or?
I don't know yet.
Hey,
You need to relax.
no.
You need to relax.
He's been having dreams. He's been having dreams about going to jail.
He's
So
been
no.
drinking too much is what
Yeah.
the main issue. How much have you had to drink today? Beer, liquor?
Mitch with those?
You want to go sit in my car?
There's consequences for that. What did they do? Bad?
Plaque.
Butch is never quite able to convey his side of the story.